In this video, we are going to talk about why poor blood circulation becomes so dangerous after the age of 60, and what you can do, starting today, to help your blood flow better again. If your feet feel cold, numb, tingly, heavy, or swollen, if your legs ache, cramp at night, or feel weak when you stand up, these are not just normal aging problems. These are signs that your circulation is struggling. When blood does not flow well, your fall risk increases. Your nerves suffer. Your muscles weaken. And even your heart has to work harder than it should. But the good news is this: you are not helpless, and you are not too old to improve your circulation. Simple daily choices can make a real difference. In this video, I will share natural ways to support healthy blood flow, including powerful circulation-boosting drinks, habits that quietly hurt your circulation, and small changes that can help you feel warmer, steadier, and more confident on your feet. Before we begin, I would truly love to know, where are you watching from today? Please tell me your city or state in the comments below. Point 1. Why poor circulation becomes so dangerous after 60. Let me talk to you honestly for a moment. After the age of 60, your body changes in quiet ways that most people are never warned about. One of the biggest changes is your blood circulation. When you were younger, your blood vessels were wide, flexible, and strong. Blood flowed easily from your heart down to your legs and back up again. But as the years pass, those blood vessels slowly become stiffer and narrower. This makes it harder for blood to reach your feet, your calves, and your toes. When circulation slows down, many seniors begin to notice warning signs. Your feet start feeling cold even in warm rooms. Your legs may feel heavy, tired, or weak. You may feel tingling, burning, or a pins and needles sensation. You might notice swelling around your ankles. Some people even feel pain or cramping at night. These are not just uncomfortable feelings. These are signs that oxygen is not reaching your muscles and nerves properly. Poor circulation is also one of the biggest reasons seniors fall. When your muscles do not get enough blood, they become weaker and slower to respond. When your nerves do not get enough oxygen, your balance becomes poor. You may not feel the floor clearly under your feet. This is how falls happen, suddenly, without warning. What hurts the most is that many older adults are told, "This is just old age." But that is not fair to you. Yes, aging plays a role. But circulation problems do not mean your body is finished. Your blood still wants to flow. Your muscles still want to work. Your nerves still want to feel. Point 2. The one missing molecule that controls your blood flow. Now let me explain something very important that most seniors are never told in simple words. Inside your body, there is one tiny molecule that controls how well your blood flows. It is called nitric oxide. You don't need to remember the name if you don't want to. What matters is what it does. This little molecule tells your blood vessels when to relax and open wide so blood can move easily from your heart down to your legs and feet. When you were younger, your body made plenty of it. That is why you could walk farther, heal faster, and rarely felt numbness or cold feet. But after the age of 60, your body naturally begins to make much less nitric oxide. In many seniors, it drops by more than half. When that happens, your blood vessels slowly tighten. They become stiff. The space inside them gets narrower. And suddenly, blood has to fight just to reach your toes. This is when seniors start to notice problems. Your feet feel cold at night. Your legs cramp when you lie down. You may feel tingling or burning. Some people feel dizzy when standing up. Others feel weakness in their calves when walking. These are all signs that your blood vessels are not opening the way they used to. Doctors often focus only on cholesterol, blood pressure, or sugar. And yes, those matter. But without enough nitric oxide, even good blood cannot flow properly. That is why some seniors take medicine and still feel numbness or heaviness in their legs. Here is the good news, and I want you to hear this clearly. Your body can start making nitric oxide again. You are not too old. Your blood vessels are not beyond help. They simply need the right fuel. And this is where the right drinks come in. Certain natural drinks wake up nitric oxide production again, sometimes within hours. Not weeks. Not months. Hours. Point 3. Why plain water alone is not enough after 60. Now let's start with a drink that everyone knows and everyone trusts, plain water. You hear it all the time. Drink more water. And yes, water is important. When you are dehydrated, your blood becomes thicker. Thicker blood moves slower. That alone can make your feet feel cold, your legs feel heavy, and your energy drop. So drinking enough water is necessary. Without water, your circulation will always struggle. But here is the part most seniors are never told. After 60, water by itself is not enough to restore strong blood flow. It keeps your body running, yes. But it does not reopen tightened blood vessels. It does not rebuild nitric oxide. It does not warm your feet when circulation is already weak. Think of water like oil in a car. The oil keeps the engine from breaking down, but it does not make a weak engine strong again. Many seniors drink glass after glass of water every day and still feel tingling, numbness, swelling, or cramping in their legs. They think, why is this happening? I drink plenty of water. The reason is simple. Water does not contain the special natural compounds your body now needs to reopen your blood vessels after age 60. Water helps carry nutrients. But it does not create the nutrients. It does not create nitric oxide. It does not send the signal that tells your arteries to relax and widen again. So while water prevents things from getting worse, it rarely makes things get better on its own. This is why so many seniors feel frustrated. They are doing what they were told. They are drinking water. They are trying to be careful. Yet the circulation keeps getting weaker. Point 4. The tea that gently reopens tight blood vessels, hibiscus tea. Now let me share with you the first drink that actually begins to open your blood vessels again, not forcefully, not dangerously, but gently and naturally. It is called hibiscus tea. Many seniors have walked right past this tea in the store without knowing what quiet power it carries for circulation. As we grow older, our blood vessels become tight and stiff. This is one of the main reasons our feet grow cold, our legs feel heavy, and our balance becomes weaker. Hibiscus tea helps by doing something very important. It gently tells your blood vessels to relax. When they relax, blood can finally move freely again from your heart down to your toes. Many seniors who begin drinking hibiscus tea notice small changes first. Their feet feel warmer at night. The tight feeling in their calves eases. Morning stiffness feels lighter. These may seem like small changes, but they are powerful signs that blood is finally moving again. Another beautiful blessing of hibiscus tea is how it supports healthy blood pressure. High blood pressure squeezes the arteries from the inside. When pressure comes down softly, blood flow becomes smoother and safer. This protects your heart, your brain, and your legs all at once. Here is the simple way to use it safely. Place 2 hibiscus tea bags in hot water. Let it steep for about 10 minutes so the healing compounds fully release. Drink it once in the morning or once in the evening. If the taste feels too tart, you can add a tiny touch of honey or stevia, just a little. One important reminder, spoken with care: if you already take blood pressure medicine, you should speak with your doctor before drinking hibiscus tea daily, because it can gently lower pressure further. Point 5. The green drink that wakes up blood flow within hours, celery juice. Now let me tell you about a green drink that surprises many seniors because it looks so simple, yet it works very fast for circulation. This drink is celery juice. It does not look powerful. It does not taste sweet. But inside your body, it sends a very strong message to your blood vessels: open up. Celery is naturally rich in something called nitrates. These nitrates change inside your body into nitric oxide, the same molecule we talked about earlier that opens your blood vessels. When nitric oxide increases, your arteries relax. When your arteries relax, blood flows easier. When blood flows easier, your feet get warmer, your legs feel lighter, and that heavy swollen feeling starts to calm down. Many seniors who begin drinking celery juice notice changes within a few hours. Their toes don't feel as icy. The tight pressure in their calves softens. At night, the cramping often eases. Over a week or two, walking becomes smoother because oxygen is finally reaching the muscles again. Here is the safest and simplest way to use it. Take 4 to 5 fresh celery stalks, wash them well, and juice them. Drink 1 glass on an empty stomach in the morning. Do not mix it with food right away. Wait at least 20 to 30 minutes. This allows your body to absorb the nitrates fully and turn them into nitric oxide. The taste can feel strong at first. It is salty and green. But remember, this is not a pleasure drink. This is a healing drink. And once you feel the warmth return to your legs, the taste will not matter anymore. One gentle warning: if you have very low blood pressure, start with half a glass at first to see how your body responds. Point 6. The deep red drink that restores leg power, beetroot juice. Now we come to the drink that many doctors quietly respect, athletes swear by, and seniors are just now beginning to discover. This is the deep red drink that works stronger and faster than all the others. It is beetroot juice. Beets are one of the richest natural sources of nitrates on Earth. And as you now understand, nitrates turn into nitric oxide inside your body. When that happens, your blood vessels relax wide open. Not slowly over months, often within a few hours. This is why many seniors feel warmth return to their legs the very same day they begin using beetroot juice. When circulation improves this quickly, several quiet miracles begin to happen. The cold feeling in your feet fades. The heaviness in your calves eases. The pins and needles tingling calms down. Walking becomes smoother. Standing feels steadier. Even your balance starts to improve because your nerves are finally receiving the oxygen they have been starving for. Here is the correct and safest way to use beetroot juice. Drink 1 small glass, about 8 ounces, once per day, ideally first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This timing is important. An empty stomach allows your body to absorb the nitrates fully and convert them into nitric oxide without delay. Some seniors worry about the taste. Yes, it is earthy and strong. But most people grow used to it within a few days. And once you feel your legs waking up again, the taste becomes a small price for a big reward. One gentle reminder: after drinking beetroot juice, your urine or stool may turn pink or red. This can look scary, but it is completely harmless. It simply means your body is processing the natural pigments in the beets. Point 7. How to combine these drinks safely without overloading your body. Now this part is very important, so please listen to it slowly and kindly. You do not need to drink everything at once. Your body is older now, and it deserves gentle care, not overload. The goal is not to flood your system. The goal is to support your circulation steadily and safely. Many seniors think, if 1 drink helps, then 3 must be better. But that is not how the aging body works. Too much can cause dizziness, weak blood pressure, upset stomach, or fatigue. The secret is timing and balance, not excess. Here is the safest and most effective routine you can follow. In the morning, choose 1 main circulation drink only. If you are using beetroot juice, that becomes your morning foundation. Drink your small glass on an empty stomach. Then wait 20 to 30 minutes before eating breakfast. This gives your body time to absorb the healing compounds properly. In the afternoon or early evening, you may add 1 gentle supporter, not another strong nitrate drink. This is where hibiscus tea works beautifully. It relaxes your blood vessels further without forcing them. 1 warm cup is enough. If you choose celery juice instead of beets, then do celery in the morning and skip the beets entirely. Do not stack celery, arugula, and beets all in one day when you are just starting. Your circulation will improve with consistency, not with pressure. Also remember this one important rule. Never drink these on a completely full stomach. Food blocks absorption. Your body must work hard on digestion instead of circulation. And one more loving reminder, always drink water throughout the day to keep your blood from thickening. These special drinks open your vessels. Water keeps the blood flowing smoothly inside them. You are not trying to fix everything in one day. You are gently teaching your body how to flow again, one calm step at a time. And your body will respond, quietly, steadily, and faithfully. If you take only one message from today, let it be this: your cold feet, heavy legs, tingling, and weakness are not just old age. They are messages from your body asking for better circulation. And the beautiful truth is, your body is still listening to you. It still wants to heal. It still wants to move. It still wants to feel alive. You do not need extreme workouts. You do not need dangerous pills. You do not need to suffer in silence. Sometimes healing begins with something as gentle as a drink in the morning, a warm cup of tea in the evening, and the confidence that you are finally giving your blood the support it has been missing. When blood flows better, everything feels better. Your legs feel lighter. Your steps feel steadier. Your sleep feels deeper. Even your mood begins to lift because oxygen is reaching places it has not reached for a long time. This is not a dream. This is how the human body works when it finally receives the right care. Please remember this with love: you are not weak. Your circulation just needed help. And today, you gave it hope. Now I want to hear from you. Which drink surprised you the most today? Just type the name in the comments. Your answer may help another senior who is silently struggling and doesn't know where to begin. If this message made you feel encouraged, please like this video so more seniors can find this guidance. And if you want to keep learning simple, safe ways to stay strong, warm, and steady after 60, subscribe to this channel. You are not walking this journey alone. Your legs still carry your life. And they deserve comfort, strength, and warmth.